Hi, viewers, and thank you for tuning in to Cornea Revolution-Motwani Lasik. Up next, one of our patients has been with us for quite some time, and don't take it wrong, it's not a negative. She has been a long patient of ours who had LASIK done in 2006 and has been super, super happy about her LASIK procedure that she came back for an enhancement. As we all know, as we age, things start to slow down with our vision, so you will need at some point an enhancement or touch-up. Stay tuned as she shares her experience.
Hi there. I first heard of Dr. Motwani in like 2003, 2004. Coworkers, friends, surfing buddies, they were all having LASIK done. I think 12 of my friends and neighbors even. So I had negative 8.5 vision back then. I also had astigmatism. And I did think that I could have the procedure done, but my friends were like, no, we have astigmatism. So I went ahead and got in and had the first LASIK done in the very beginning of 2006. So it lasted until, this long. So I was just, starting to have to wear readers and a little bit more frequently. And also, where I was driving, and I had gotten so spoiled off of having 15/20 vision, most of my life at this point that, let me just give him a call and see what he can. So he basically undercorrected this eye just barely and got this one for distance. This was my dominant eye. At first, it was a little odd to have him a little bit off, but my brain, just to see it, told me, adjusted to it, and now I'm back to 15/20 again. So back to being spoiled. The way that this changed my life, I had terrible vision since I was a child. They had me in Coke bottle glasses starting from the age of 5. Even with the slim lenses, I couldn't participate as well in physical activities and playground games with these huge glasses as a kid. So they actually switched me to contact lenses when I was 9 years old, which seems a lot, very early, but it was so that I could participate just like a regular kid. So I've been wearing contacts since the age of 9, and I got the LASIK done. I think I was early 30s, I want to say 32 or 33, and it completely changed my life. I went from having to have my glasses next to me in the morning so that I could wear them to see to get to the bathroom to put my contact lenses in. And the reverse. I could never have my glasses or contacts, I was not functional. One of the people that convinced me to come in and see Dr. Motwani or give a call was one of my surfing buds. So I was wearing, I wore disposables when surfing. But you take a big spill, you lose a lens, you're done. Your session's done. You have to paddle back in. So that completely changed. I could open my eyes underwater. I could open my eyes in the shower. It just the freedom. And that's why I got spoiled for almost 20 years, 17 years, I think, with having such wonderful vision. And that's why, it's like, let's do this again.